Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. So I have a Kenwood Tl922 here. I worked on this recently, did all the modifications and everything. I've worked on over 900 of these, and this is the first time it's ever happened. Had FedEx packet, like always, and the driver or someone must have just thrown it on the ground or just handled it really rough, because the band switch knob was, this whole shaft was pushed in, knob was rubbing up against the front panel. Front panel's bent out a little bit. This tab was broken off. Customer fixed the tab. Panel's fine. The rest of it looks okay. Had some scratches on the side, but so here's the original piece. The customer tried to bend it back. As you can see, it's still not perfect, but I ended up taking another one off of a parts unit. I already fixed the input coil. The phenolic piece came unglued from the base, so I fixed that, and then repaired the input rotary switch. But the shaft, where it couples between the input rotary switch and the band switch, is snapped right off. So fortunately, I have to snap it right there. There's nothing I can do about it. So I have to change the band switch. So I ordered a new band switch from Multitech. I'm going to pull it out of the box, configure it, install it, and show you when it's all done. And I'll see you guys soon. Stay tuned. Back with the completed Kenwood Tl922a. So here's the old band switch. You can see where the shaft is snapped. Can't just change the shaft because it's actually glued at the point where it goes through the part that rotates. So that's now junk. Have the new Multitech rotary switch installed, which is actually an upgrade from the stock one. Everything's soldered real nice. Repaired the input rotary switch. I re-glued the pi input circuit coil form back to the base. Checked everything else over. Tested full output on all bands. I ended up replacing the front panel. His glass was damaged. I'll send him his old one back. So this thing is now good to go. If you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. My phone number is 203-892-4119. Please like, share, and subscribe. The next amplifier on the bench will be a AL572. I hope to get back on the 6000 amp very soon, but like I said, work before play. So thanks for watching. 73.